Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing to you guys about the Chimera pet in Grow a Garden. It is a divine pet and it is the first pet with 3 different pets in it: the emerald snake, the lion, and the goat. If you want to know how you can get this and how you can summon the Chimera pet, watch my previous video. So basically, its abilities, it's every 13 minutes roars, and a total of 800 cooldown advancement is shared across each pet, maximum 80 seconds per pet. And every 8.41 minutes rams a random player, knocking them away but gives them a common egg. Also, buying from the seed or gear shop has a 2%, why did I say 2 so early? 2% chance to duplicate the bought item. So yeah, that is pretty much what the Chimera, sorry, it's very hard for me to pronounce Chimera for some reasons, pet does. This is what it looks like. Pretty creepy. Like, that's the snakes, is like the tail, and then there's the lion, and there's a goat. And it is a divine pet. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!